Hello friends, it's a great privilege for me to address, talk to our targeted audience, the intermediate first and second year students of Andhra and Telangana. Also, in future we want to come out with the online teaching modules for the CBSE 11th and 12th standard for accountancy and economics across India. As we are aware, during this period of pandemic, the online education has picked up in a very big way. And as an academician and some of our well-wishers, we thought we can also contribute our wide experience for the learning of students of intermediate first and second year of MEC and CEC groups. My name is K. Samuel Sudhir, and I am the former principal of Sai Sudhir PG College, ECIL, where I have worked for 4 years. I have authored 4 books in economics, and for a very long time I have worked in some reputed institutions like Indian Institute of Management Commerce for MCom, BCom Honours, Narayana Chaitanya. I have worked for 4 and 5 years in Mary's Junior College, etc. And thereby I thought, with the help of some of the friends, we can bring out certain online digital learning to the comfort of the learning of the students at home, as going out now is a problem, meeting people is a problem, going to coaching centers is a problem, going to college is a problem, and thereby we can reduce the stress of finding a source. We thought we can beam recorded lessons to the benefit of the students with the help of online learning platform. And I am very thankful to associate with Career Plus, whose CEO is Mr. Kara John Gibson, who approached me that why don't I share my learning experience of a very long time with the students at large. Now, how we can replace digital learning? Although now it is inevitable for students, especially of intermediate first and second year MEC and CEC, and also CBSE 11th and state accounts and economics, to look for sources where they can sit at home safely, and getting a tutor to home is difficult because of COVID-19. Going to coaching centers is a problem, going to college is a problem. At this point of time, experienced people like us can provide digital content by personal presentation online, by giving material online, where students can sit at home and also listen to the lectures, follow our notes, and learn. Thereby they can overcome this anxiety, what will happen to the studies. Now, in my very large experience, I have produced some very good results in Narayana and Chaitanya. In my 4 years of teaching in Narayana, there were 4 state ranks below 10th in the Telangana state, and many students used to qualify very easily for CA Foundation. In Chaitanya Malkagiri, where I worked also, excellent results used to be received, and so thereby, with that confidence, we can pass this experience to students who are now facing a lot of doubt, stress, and concern what will happen to the studies. So people like us and organizations like Career Plus have thought, why don't we venture into digital eating, which is the need of the hour, which is a trend. And yesterday's newspaper talks about 63% increase in the demand for online digital learning, and thereby why not we also join the fray. Although a personal teacher-student classroom can never be replaced, but we will do our best to bring a personalized touch to the digital learning that we are going to offer through Career Plus for commerce and economics of intermediate first and second year students. Also, CBSE 11th and 12th standard accounts and economics across India. Now, we will be able to compress huge material by our experience into easy methodology, whereby we collect, compress, present it in a systematic manner, where an average student, a bright student, can also sit in the comfort of the home and read and study and follow the lessons. This is one thing that we can offer as a benefit. Second thing is we will do our own research in terms of how to make the subjects which are so wide easy comprehensible for an average student, a bright student, to be able to understand, and thereby our wide experience can make simple learning simple to the students. Then the second way that we can replace personalized teaching is on a weekly basis or a fortnightly basis, we will try to clarify students' doubts through personal interaction live. Thereby, it is not that the video recorded lessons or lessons which are beamed and then they have problems with doubts. We will have a personal interaction through Career Plus, and thereby students, parents, college faculty or colleges who may want to use our services can be assured that it is not a one-way learning that we are going to offer. Students can make note of all the doubts they have, they can clarify them. But in the very first attempt, we will try to put the subject matter in such a manner that the students will not be able to get many doubts, and if at all they get doubts, we will be able to clarify them. Second important thing, what makes it special, where students can think of taking our lessons, is that we are going to focus a little more on examination oriented teaching, knowledge based teaching, and then scoring. These are three things. When many people may attempt to offer examination oriented teaching, they may compromise on knowledge, but we will ensure that they get sufficient knowledge. At the same time, they also do very well in the examination and they also score well. And thereby, the teaching methodology that we are going to adopt is keeping in view the average student, the bright student, the physical distance that we are going to experience is going to overcome through our lessons, and also we are able to achieve these three objectives. That is, students get the knowledge, student scores well, the student also does very well in the examination, and thereby laying a strong foundation. And last of all, we are also addressing the issue of what in case there are doubts. Definitely the doubt clarification session will be able to make the doubts zero. Since we have the experience of producing many state rank holders and a wide experience we have in teaching, also a wide research that we have in how to enable students to do very well, I am sure the content that we are going to present to the students will be able to solve all the problems. It's not simply that we are coming into the market to offer students online classes just because it's a trend. We have authentic experience with us, credibility with us, results which are produced, and having headed an institution, I am a responsible academician who has guided thousands of students. In my long career, having worked in Wesley Boys Degree College, Indian Institute of Management Commerce as principal in Sai Shri PG College, Narayana and Chaitanya institutions, St. Mary's Junior College, the classroom experience that I have had, I am sure will be able to translate into digital learning effectively, where students will be able to benefit from our content that we are going to deliver to them, also the material that we are going to give to them, the structure and methodology that we are going to give to them, our personal involvement in the learning process. All these factors will definitely make our learning a very valid one, and thereby those who take up our digital classes, online classes, will be able to benefit in a big way. And the anxiety that many parents, many students are now going through, what will happen to our lessons, what will happen to our classes, what will happen to our studies, which is the best source. And so in Hyderabad, perhaps we are the first to launch across Telangana, across Andhra Pradesh, because the syllabus is almost similar in commerce and economics and maths in due course of time for MEC and CC students, CBSE 11th and 12th standard accounts and economics students. We are offering these courses. I am sure it will be able to enrich their learning, make it a very beautiful experience, and above all, the learning process will be very comfortable for an average students. Also, we will be able to win the confidence of the parents, the society, teaching community, colleges at large, and thereby the results will show in due course of time in view of the background that we have. So with these, I welcome all of you into this journey of us as we venture. We want you to be partners with us. We want you to adopt our learning system We want you to enroll with us. We want you to suggest to us how best we can make this learning an experience where the students at large will benefit, and they will see exponential growth in their knowledge, in their confidence, in their performance, and thereby our effort of going into digital classes will be successful. With these few introductory remarks, I once again welcome all of you to this wonderful experience of digital learning online classes of Career Plus for intermediate MEC and CEC students. I am sure our partnership, our relationship will be long lasting, whereby we can follow a policy of give and take, where you will get effective classes and we will get students who will be benefiting from them. Our rich experience, I'm sure, will show in the content that we are going to produce. With these few words, I want to welcome the students of intermediate MEC and CEC of Telangana, Andhra, also CBSE 11th and 12th standard across India, parents, students, people who are worried about examinations, about studies, into this journey of digital learning. I'm sure it will be a very pleasant one, very successful one, a very happy one. Thank you very much.